Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Snowflake White Pearl 2015 Mazda 3 i-Touring, stock number A7069. You've got factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 16-inch Advanta tire. And inside you have a power sunroof, and there is a black cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition. You have seating for 2 up front, and there is seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Mazda 3. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. You do have a backup camera here. There is also keyless entry for the trunk. And taking a look inside, as you can see, it's very clean back here. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Mazda today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There is a Bose premium audio system. And stepping inside, you've got a push-button start. I'll start the engine, and then we'll take an odometer reading. All right, you've got 31,226 actual miles. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have audio controls. On the right-hand side, you have cruise control buttons. And then coming over to the center, you've got this great display here. This is where your backup camera will show. You've got a CD player along with an AM and FM radio. And then as you can see, you've also got the capability to have navigation here. Coming down underneath of that, there are dual climate controls. You've got a 6-speed, 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage is going to get you around 41 miles per gallon. Then you also have some additional audio and navigation controls here. If you'd like to get more information on this Mazda or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.